Renovation projects, especially those involving complex or aging structures, demand precise and up-to-date documentation. Traditional methods of measurement and drawing often fall short, leading to delays, inaccuracies, and costly revisions. Enter the transformative power of laser scanning and 3D point cloud technology, a digital revolution that streamlines the entire process from assessment to renovation. Laser scanning allows professionals to capture every detail of an environment in minutes. The scanner emits laser beams that bounce off surfaces, recording millions of data points in three-dimensional space. This creates a comprehensive point cloud, a digital replica of the physical world, complete with the nuances of walls, ceilings, floors, and even the tiniest architectural features. Unlike manual measurements, this method drastically reduces human error and provides a level of detail that was once unimaginable. Once the point cloud data is collected, it's processed and converted into accurate CAD drawings. Specialized software interprets the cloud of points, transforming them into precise line work, surfaces, and solid models. Architects and engineers can then manipulate these CAD files, integrating them into their workflows for retrofit design or as-built documentation. This conversion process accelerates renovation projects considerably. Teams no longer need to spend weeks on site with tape measures and sketches. Instead, they receive reliable digital representations of existing conditions, ready for analysis and modification. As-built drawings produced from point clouds ensure that every retrofit solution fits perfectly, minimizing surprises during construction. Moreover, the point cloud to CAD workflow fosters collaboration. Stakeholders can share digital files across disciplines, enabling real-time coordination and reducing miscommunication. Change orders and revisions become smoother as everyone has access to the same foundational data. Ultimately, by harnessing laser scanning and point cloud conversion, renovation projects become faster, more accurate, and more efficient, laying the groundwork for successful transformations and future-ready spaces.